Solve the given system of linear equation by elimination. So, tingnan natin yung linear equations. Kapag i-add natin to, wala tayong ma-eliminate. Kaya, gawa tayo ng paraan para ma-eliminate natin yung x or y. So, dito x yung eliminate natin. So, ma-eliminate natin ito kapag ang x na ito ay naging negative 2. Kasi negative 2 plus positive 0. Para mangyari yon, i-multiply natin sa negative 2. So, negative 2 times x, maging negative 2x. Negative 2 times 2y, negative 4y. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. And then, kopyahin na lang natin yung second equation. Okay, pwede natin i-add. Negative 2x plus 2x, 0. So, eliminated na yung x variable. So, negative 4y minus 3y is negative 7y. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0. So, ang value ng y natin is 0. To get the value of x, substitute lang natin yung value ng y kahit saan dito sa kanila. So, dito natin substitute 2x minus 3y equals 4. 2x, so yung y is 0. So, multiply, 0 na yan. So, meron na tayo 2x equals 4. Value ng x is 2. Therefore, ang solution natin dito ay 2 and 0. So, pag-check pa natin, halimbawa, yung y ay 0. And then mark 2. Then, x is 2. 2 times 0, 0. And 2 yung naiwan. Check. Same dito sa 2 times 2. 3 times 0. So, 0. 2 times 2, 4. Check then.